Naa Torshie mehwe video bi a wonya ho atena se na wo twantro e wo Ghana fo nyina anim. Naa Torshie enko kama minti a o se NPP every akonya so no na dollar eye 17 cedis na dia NDC fo aya ama dollar netimi aba fam no so mo pompe ska wo so mo pompe ska wo NPP entimi anye eno nti no maye nkotoma abama Dr. Bawumia sansa Dr. Bawumia and the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Naa Torshie so nim nyansa fatwa so our comment section in mami. Every reasonable and sensible Ghanaian in him say on the 6th of January 2025, a day before John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, he did best so as the President of the Republic of Ghana. No, dollar was 14 cedis, 74 pesos. Now, Naa Torshie, young go tie as some of the kind and be ya, and Kobasi me trying to the Ashanano, and Unti Brania. I'll be responding na Canada Japan, and then the company. I say on my anti NPP. Men American, Canada Japan, the evil man in the MPP, and until Canada Japan, you ever in the different people send here Alan Cash, Adani useless party, our Kakotino. You better the Japan if our cast a useless party for no. And now the MPP party be some greater. Now, young go tie someone. Naa Torshie, edit to Jambrania. Ya bet you are drink, can drink.
We were leaving government, it was 17. Whatever it is that NDC is doing, whether they are pumping money, they are not pumping money, we couldn't do it. They've done.
Naa Torshie, in penny for say, Dionim Papa Wanyano, a bonemano. Dionim Papa Wanyano, a bonemano. Obia o nim no cre, no cano cre, not on your true 40 sa winning Kennedy Japan Biano, and him say, on the 6th of January 2025, a day before the John Dramani Mahama, so as the President of the Republic of Ghana, dollar rate, 14 cedis, 74 pesos, where a Bank of Ghana official rate among the buy on the 6th January 2025, a day before His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, so as the President of the Republic of Ghana, dollar rate was 14 cedis, 74 pesos. Naa Torshie, I know, say, a back in Trodia, we expect to say, a year one Kasani Powdinechi, a year Canada compare con or Hini a Japan, or your throw for on canocre, or your throw for that day, or also a manipulate or manipulating for on canocre, or your throw for this originate Canada Japan, or in Tronie, Canada Japan ye, the chita for a throw for on canocre. Naa Torshie, she was the one in charge of a year common fund, now a year common fund administrator, until constituency or district, so common fund a delay a Naa Torshie in charge of common fund, or common fund no about constituency and no district. Until constituency, so MP and our DC catcher was a common fund no mbaya. This woman was the one in charge of a common fund nebi timiaba, and they were trying to hold about catcher as MPP abano and Timmy and make it a dollar back from whilst Sanka Yobia unima dear na o steady a dear nima dear nas on your trophy. In Kobanim said dollar rate was 14 cedis, 74% before the MPP left power. But minimum so on cannot credit because Canada Japan on cannot credit phone in cannot credit. I throw phone upon some phone now Canada Japan camp. But I'm promising you something. On 31st January 2026, na go for near that's what that day, we be home with smoothness level. Now that day, no, and a bet you young people are not part of us. It is still possible. Vote Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia as the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Me say NDC for and him say on Canada compare Japan. Easy bet the more bet me dear winning power election 2028. Now the machine be a propaganda machine out on a book in Japan and now name that there's a old chantro edited Ghana for. The son say Senkentisa Nanka honorable Kennedy a compare Japan any name call for entimi and bet not TV so no moon chantron fan Ghana for. In someone Naa Torshie headed to Dre. Obiani Messiah draw, and she is doing whatever she is doing out of the hatred or one of the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But my question to Nabu Japan any in call say, are you people NPP members or anti-NPP members? Because everything that you guys do or say goes against the principles and the ideology of the New Patriotic Party. It's like everything that you people say, it is not in support of the NPP, but almost against or always against the New Patriotic Party. Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan, I want to ask you and your supporters a very simple question. What is your true colors? Are you people green, white, red, and black? That's the NDC. Or are you people white, blue, and red? I want to understand something, because it baffles my mind to the extent say you people can lie without even shaking. You lie with confidence and make it look like whatever you are saying is true, whilst you actually know that. Because whatever you guys are doing, you know, actually say money NDC for baby, allegedly money NDC for baby. Yes, money NDC for baby. Just come out and tell Ghanaians the truth that yes, indeed, we have something to do with the NDC, and we will actually understand. But for now, I'm telling you on facts. Say, NDC as a political party knows whatever is happening with Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan, because you cannot tell me say anything about what is going on. And that's the reason we are where we are today. That is the honest truth. Unless person you or throw for now person become a career, person be in the career too. That's the truth. But as one person in the career too, you would know and you would testify to the fact. Say this is what is happening, and Honorable Kennedy Japan is working in hands with the NDC. And that's why we are where we are today. That is the reason why we are where we are today. Sometimes I don't blame some people for the things they say, because I know I'm not my ear. I know I'm not my ear. And you're not looking at the Japan and I hear I'm an abase. And that's the honest truth. Unless self person without down, unless person without down. But if you want to be truthful, that is the truth. And that's why we are where we are today. Meaning that they promised the blogger, they're gonna save TV. Like and share, actually, what your comment section. If I'm me, but that's it. I mean, sure.
Putting propaganda here for TSC to my Kemunyedi Namsi 31st. The two of my real and I'm about Takwa. See, the Mama Yalusuno, constituency executives, any former MP. Ibu Mahama, Karukracha, Akomprako, NPP and for propaganda and a winning election. You have the facts and data. And you have the winning election and for and a winning election to say Ibu Mahama JDB. Oh, buy our who sweet. Akomprako. Went to maintain no constituency of my NPP. And the